The rooster, also known as a cockerel, is the male of the domestic chicken species Gallus domesticus. Recognized by its loud, early morning crow, the rooster is an iconic figure in farm life, known for its role in protecting and leading its flock of hens. Roosters have been domesticated for thousands of years and are found worldwide, symbolizing everything from fertility and vigilance to bravery in various cultures. Roosters are distinguished by their bright, colorful plumage that often features shades of red, orange, and gold, along with iridescent greens and blues. One of their most recognizable features is the comb, a fleshy, red crest on top of their heads. They also have wattles, which are the fleshy, hanging bits of skin under their beaks. These features help regulate their body temperature and may also play a role in attracting mates. Roosters tend to be larger than hens, with more pronounced spurs on their legs. These spurs are sharp, claw-like structures used for defense during fights with other males. Roosters also have a long, flowing tail, which is often a key feature in cockfighting cultures. Roosters are known for their territorial behavior and protective nature. They are the natural leaders of a flock, watching over hens and chicks, sounding alarms when they detect potential predators, and defending the flock from intruders. They use a variety of vocalizations, including their signature crow, clucks, and calls to communicate with the hens and warn them of danger. The rooster's crow is most commonly heard at dawn, but roosters will crow throughout the day as a signal of their dominance and presence. This crowing serves to ward off other roosters and assert control over their territory. Roosters engage in dominance displays and will often fight other males to establish a hierarchy. These battles can be fierce, especially in the wild or in free-ranging settings where multiple roosters might coexist. Roosters are highly territorial when it comes to mating and will attempt to establish themselves as the dominant male in a group of hens. The dominant rooster usually mates with the majority of the hens in his flock. Mating involves a courtship dance, where the rooster circles a hen with lowered wings before attempting to mate. Roosters can be quite prolific, fertilizing eggs that hens will then lay. These fertilized eggs can develop into chicks, continuing the cycle of reproduction. Roosters do not participate in raising the chicks, but play a vital role in ensuring the flock's safety. Roosters share a similar diet with hens, feeding on seeds, grains, insects, and sometimes small vertebrates. They will scratch the ground with their claws to unearth food and will often call hens over when they find something tasty, a behavior known as tidbitting. This act of sharing food is part of the rooster's role in flock cohesion and may also increase its appeal to the hens. Roosters face a variety of predators, including foxes, hawks, owls, and other large birds of prey. Their role as a protector means they are often the first line of defense when a predator approaches. They will crow loudly and use their spurs to fend off attackers, even sacrificing themselves if necessary to protect the hens. In the wild, roosters use their vigilance and sharp eyesight to keep watch over the flock, often perching in higher positions to get a better view of the surroundings. The rooster holds deep symbolism in many cultures. In Western folklore, it is associated with the dawn and wakefulness, symbolizing the start of a new day. In the Chinese zodiac, the rooster represents honesty, hard work, and courage. In Christian tradition, the rooster is a symbol of repentance and is often depicted atop church steeples, symbolizing watchfulness. The rooster is also significant in sports, as seen in the symbol of the Gallic rooster, which represents France in various international events, especially in rugby and football. Roosters are integral to traditional farming practices. Aside from their role in reproduction, they help maintain order and safety in the flock. Farmers often keep roosters for their ability to protect hens from predators and even for their ability to alert the farm when something is amiss. Though some farmers raise roosters for meat, they are more commonly kept for breeding purposes, ensuring a continuous supply of fertilized eggs for hatching. Roosters are much more than just the loud, crowing birds they are often depicted as. They are vital to the social structure of a chicken flock, acting as leaders, protectors, and symbols of courage and vigilance. Throughout history and across cultures, the rooster has been revered for its strength, tenacity, and role in ensuring the survival and well-being of its flock. Despite modern agricultural advancements, the rooster remains an important figure in both farming and cultural symbolism.